Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a close look at the MHPOWOS 80W portable solar panel charger. If you're into camping, RV trips, or just want a reliable backup power source, this could be the perfect addition to your gear. Let's dive into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, portability. This solar panel folds down to a compact size of 12.5 by 9.6 by 2.5 inches and weighs just 5.89 pounds. That's light enough to throw in your backpack or keep in the trunk of your car. It even comes with 4 carabiners, so you can easily attach it to your tent, backpack, or hang it from a tree to catch the sun. Now let's talk about output. The panel features 3 output ports, 1 DC output, 1 USB-C, and 1 USB-A. This means you can charge your phone, iPad, drone, camera, power bank, and even a small refrigerator or other devices as long as the voltage and current are within the limits. It's versatile enough for all your essential gadgets. But how efficient is it? The MHPOWOS panel uses high-efficiency ETFE monocrystalline cells, which boast a conversion rate of 23%. That's pretty impressive. Plus, it's IP65 water resistant, so light rain or splashes won't damage it. Just remember, the junction box isn't waterproof, so you should keep that part dry. Compatibility is another strong point. With a 5-in-1 solar connector that includes XT60, DC5521, DC35135, DC7909, and DC8020, this panel works with most portable power stations on the market. So whether you have a Jackery, EcoFlow, or another brand, you'll likely be able to connect it. In the box, you get the solar panel, a 5-in-1 connector, a 2-in-1 USB cable, 4 carabiners, and a user manual. MHPOWOS also backs this product with a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service, so you're covered if any issues arise. Now let's talk about real-world performance. During our testing, we were able to charge a 1000 mAh power bank from empty to full in about 5 hours on a sunny day, which is pretty decent. The panel does have a built-in smart charging technology that adjusts the output to prevent overcharging, adding a layer of safety for your devices. One thing to note is that the panel is not a full replacement for a power station. It's designed to be a portable solution for smaller devices. If you plan to run larger appliances, you'll need a bigger setup. Overall, the MHPOWOS 80W portable solar panel is a solid investment for anyone who loves the outdoors or wants a backup power solution. It's lightweight, efficient, and compatible with a wide range of devices. If you're in the market for a reliable solar charger, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. And if you want to grab one for yourself, check the link in the description below. Until next time, stay powered up.